One challenge I faced when switching from Windows to Mac was organizing the tabs and windows across different applications. Today's tip is for you if you're also facing this issue. Here's what happens. For instance, I'm here on Chrome and need to switch between Chrome and the Word window. You just drag the mouse to the side to switch. However, there's a shortcut key, which many of you already know, that I'll display on the screen. It's Command and Tab. This way, you can move to one window and back to windows of different applications. Moreover, if you hold the Command key and keep pressing Tab, you can switch between applications that you choose on the fly. For example, I can go into the calculator and then back to Word. But the biggest challenge I had was switching windows within the same application, especially in Google Chrome. Let me show you what happened. I need to log into multiple accounts, which means opening different windows. So to access this window or another, I had to keep pulling down here, and it would become a mess. I struggled a lot until I discovered this shortcut that I'm going to share with you. So to switch between windows of the same application, you'll hold the Command key, just like we did before, and this time, instead of pressing Tab, you'll press the key, which I am showing on the keyboard to make it easier. Look how cool. This way I can switch between all the open windows of the same application. This works for Safari too. If this tip was helpful, please comment, because it really helps with engagement here on our channel. Also, check out our content. We have various videos, from tech tips to shopping advice and how to fix some appliances at home. For instance, this electric kettle here, I managed to fix and shared it with you. Thanks. I look forward to your comment, okay? See you in the next video.